Welcome back to the channel, and guess what I got in the mail today? But first, yeah, my rear differential cover and gasket blew on my truck, and here's what I got. Let me show you real quick. So I got the ARB differential cover. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Got the bolts, the instructions, the bracket for the emergency brake, and the cover itself. So I didn't get the red one, I got the black one. I think it'll look better. Hold on, let me get it. Yeah, so here it is. It's got the black one. And let me tell you, this material is like super thick. It is solid, what, cast iron steel compared to the flimsy plastic one that they come factory. And this one has a dipstick on it, and it's also magnetic, so you can also measure the levels of the oil in it. But yeah, pretty. I like it. It's pretty cool. It's really thick. It's really thick. I like this. This is cool. Yeah, it's like the reviews on this one is pretty good, so I went with it. And then these don't come with any kind of gasket, and you have to buy a separate gasket. Well, I did, or you can use some kind of gasket maker, Loctite, whatever. But I went ahead and bought a gasket for it. And here's a gasket. It's the Lube Locker. But first, let me tell you, to find just a gasket by itself for these trucks, for the 04 Nissan Titans, it is very difficult. I checked on AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, Advance, and I just couldn't find the gasket itself. So went and got the gasket from Lube Locker. Now here it says it fits our differentials. So we'll see. And also the reviews on this is very good. So I might try it out if it fits. If not, then I don't know. I have to get another gasket, or I just make my own, I guess. And then I'm gonna use a Valvoline 75-140 oil for the differential. Put a little tip on it so it's easy to pour in. But yeah, that's what I got today, guys. The ARB differential cover. Got it in black. Also comes in red. And then the Lube Locker gasket. Oh, and to spot a fake one, the fake one won't have a Lube Locker on it, so you know that it's fake or real. This one says Lube Locker, so it is not a fake, not a knockoff. It's the real one. Yep. Again, the ARB differential cover and the gasket from Lube Locker. I'm gonna install it and I'll let y'all know how that goes, and I'll show you afterwards. So here you see the factory cover. So you can see where, I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but it's where it was leaking from. You see all that wetness right there. Then right there it was dry, but yeah, there's the factory one, the old one. But yeah, it just, so I was looking or reading online on forums and stuff, and yeah, this 2004 to I think 06, they were known for just the seals getting too hot and just falling apart and just leaking. I guess it was a recall, but I mean, I don't know. It was 2004, 2005 back then, so yeah, we're in 2022, so I mean, it held up for what, 18 years. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that's the old one. Oh, and also, yeah, I got some new little suspension upgrades I'm gonna show you as well too here later on. But yeah, first, I got this differential cover. Yeah, that old ugly thing. All right, well, let me get to it. All right, so I took off the old cover, and here it is. Yeah, when I was taking it off, yeah, the gaskets around it was completely worn out. But look how thin this is compared to the new one. It's real thin. And here's the new one. And you can see the difference. Like, if you can get it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's just way thicker and yeah, way nicer. Almost same size, but it's bigger in some places. But yeah, here's the old one. Let's see if I can compare the size. If I can set them up. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Way thicker. How about what? Maybe a good almost inch thicker. But yeah, there she is, everybody. The old one is it wasn't too bad, but it was leaking. See the bottom of the truck. Yeah, everything inside is still good. The teeth ain't too worn down. Still good. But that'll be another project that I have in mind. New gears and a troop track. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. A couple of bolts. If you have a impact gun, you usually break them off. It's 12 bolts. But didn't take me but like what 5 minutes to break them loose. I put some PP blaster like 2 days ago, because I was waiting for the gasket to get here. But I don't think you need it as long as you have an impact gun. It was pretty easy. Few hand tools, but it's simple, man. Easy. Alrighty. Again, here's the new cover and the old one. Let me put it back on and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, everybody. Here's the finished install. Man, let me tell you, it looks real nice. Looks good. The gasket, everything went on smooth. It was right on, you know. But yeah, here it is. Here's how it looks like after it's all installed and everything. But it looks nice. I think I should have gone red to make it stand out more, but overall, no, it's cool. It's good though. I like it. It was simple. It has a little filler cap on the top, so you can fill it from the top and everything. And a little dipstick to measure the levels and see how much water's in there and all that good stuff. And then that right there, below that A, has a little another drain plug, but these differentials already have a drain plug on the actual differential itself, so I don't think I'll use that one. Probably use the main one, the original one. But yeah, so far I ran it a little bit and I don't see any leaks or anything like that, so hopefully that fixes everything. But yeah, here it is, the ARB differential cover for a 2004 Nissan Titan with a Lube Locker gasket, because again, it doesn't come with the gasket. You can make your own, but I feel more comfortable just getting a gasket. But again, overall, there it is. Some other little stuff I gotta do, but that's the finished product. Hopefully you can see it better. Yep, there it is. Alright guys, here it is. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I got a few more projects coming up. I'm finally having some time to do some video and stuff, so but I won't disappoint. Alright guys.